Tap Image to capture images. You can view the recently captured image by tapping Advanced greater than Review. Tap Video to capture videos. It will start capturing the Cineloops for a maximum of 30 seconds. You can also tap Video again to stop recording. You can view the recently captured videos by tapping Advanced greater than Review. You can tap the B mode to select your scanning mode. Tap Freeze button to the left side. Tap Image button on the left side to capturing images. You can see the image in Advanced page after capturing. Tap Freeze button on the left side. Drag the seek bar on the bottom to adjust the range of Cineloops. You can see the video in Advanced page after capturing.